Who are liable for tax? So who are the people who can be taxed? So first one, individual citizens of the country into undivided family. You have that HUF category. Companies, firms, partnerships, they also are liable for tax. Association of persons or bodies of individuals and local authority, municipal bodies. So all these categories of people are liable for tax. Okay, they have to pay tax to the government of India, and they have to file their returns every after the financial year is going to end. Structure of Indian tax system. So Indian tax system has a three-tier system as shown in the diagram. So you have central government, state government, and the local bodies. So the local bodies will depend on central government for funds. Okay, and the state government will depend on central government for funds. So the structure is like this: central, state, and local bodies. So in central government, you have income tax, which is paid by individuals; service tax, which is called as GST; custom duties. So goods which are coming from outside country or goods which are exported to outside country, they come under custom duties and central excise, and finally sales tax. So goods sales and service tax it is actually combined now. It is called as GST. So you have GST in place of these two tax. And state government, the state government we have sales tax. So in state government we have sales tax. Same way they put sales tax for petrol, diesel, everything. Stamp duty. So if you sell properties in the state, you will have stamp duty. Similar to central excise, you have state excise. The land revenue, you have duty and entertainment tax, and finally tax on professions and ceilings. So you have professional tax to be paid. So all these are coming under the category of state government. Okay, and GST, you have two components: SGST and CGST, right? So state GST, with that income will go to the state government. The central GST income will go to the central government. Okay, so GST has two components, CGST and SGST. So depending on, it will be equally split among the federal government and state government. The local bodies, they tax on properties, tax on markets. So shopping complex means you have to pay tax to the local municipality. Water tax you have to pay, drainage for the drainage, water supply, you have to pay tax and get the facilities from the local bodies. So all these are not independent; they are dependent on each other. State government expects funds from central government. The central government will disperse funds to the state government after every financial year. The state government will distribute the funds among the local body for their development.